If you want to move data to memory card or from your memory card on a CMF Phone 2 Pro, then you can use the Files app that we can find in the app drawer by default. In my case, it is over here, the Files app by Google. Over here, you should be able to select whichever file you want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna go to Images, and let's say I'm gonna choose, let's say, this photo over here. So if you want to transfer a single file, then you should be able to open it. If it's a photo or a video, you should be able to find these three dots somewhere. In my case, it is in top right corner, and then you should be able to choose Move To. After that, since I am transferring from the phone storage, I want to move it to the SD card, then of course I want to select SD card in this place, in this case I mean, and now I can choose where I want to transfer. So I need to select a folder where the selected item will be placed. So let's say I'm gonna choose this folder over here, and I'm gonna choose Move Here. Of course, you can also find files that are saved on the SD card. You can recognize, or you can tell if the file is saved on the SD card by looking at this icon that we have. For example, in the case of photos, we have it in the top right corner of the photo preview. And in order to move from the memory card to the internal storage, it looks pretty much the same way. Of course, you can also press and hold in order to select one file, and then you can keep selecting everything that you wish to transfer, and then tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to once again choose Move To, and the rest is the same. Besides that, you can also go to the storage over here. Instead of choosing one of these categories, you can just straight up open the, for example, the whole internal storage and look through, go through all these folders in order to try to find whatever you want to transfer. Just like, for example, over here, once again, we have files. So in this case, I can tap on these three dots in order to once again find Move To. And of course, we can do the same thing with multiple selections. So just press and hold and then select multiple items in order to also choose to Move To. And of course, once again, we can start with the internal storage as well as the SD card. It works the same way. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.